Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a collaboration in Instagram app after posting. So first of all, open your Instagram app and go to the post that you want to add a collaboration. So simply tap on the post you want to add the collaboration. So on the top you can see three dot. Tap on that and tap on edit, and here on the top of your profile you can see add paid partnership level, yeah, and just tap on that and you can simply add collaboration in Instagram after posting. But here you are not finding add partnership level here, so we're going to solve this problem. We have the next way to do to add collaboration. So what you do is go back and again open Instagram and go back to your profile, and on the top right corner you can see three dash. Tap on that, and once you tap on that it will pop up with this interface where you can see setting and privacy. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, it will you can see on the last section you can see help. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, tap on report a problem, and simply tap on report problem without checking. And once you do that, tap on don't include and continue, and here you have to write your problem or issue that you are having. Simply write that you want to add collaboration in Instagram after posting, but it is there is no option like add paid partnership level. So would you please resolve this issue? You write the paragraph here and send it. Tap simply to send to the Instagram, and Instagram will simply solve your problem in 24 hours or 1 2 days. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to solve this issue and aid collaboration in Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much.